Hello, welcome back to our Camp 1011. Today we're going to introduce the linked list. The linked list is a new tool for managing a collection of records that you have to access sequentially all the time, and the number of records changes dynamically. That means you have to insert items into that collection and you have to delete items from that collection all the time. Here's an example of the linked list. We have implemented with the structs. We have introduced this previously, and you could see from here, we can declare a new type of struct called item with the name, price, and quantity there. But what is different from previous example is we have adding one pointer there next. So in that case, for example, when we have four items there, item 1, 2, 3, 4, we can link them with this pointer by setting the value of the pointer to the next item, like this. The item 1 has been linked to the item 2, and item 2 has been linked to item 3, and item 3 is linked to the item 4. And this is linked list. Okay, here is a code in which we have implemented the linked list in previous slides. And you could see we have four items there, and we have a pointer as the head. And we're setting the head pointer to the item 1. So, and here we are initializing the items 1, 2, 3. But at the end of initialization of each of the item, we're setting the pointers. For example, we're setting the pointer next of the item 1 to the address of the item 2, and item 2 dot next to the item 3, the address of item 3, and so on and so forth. And in that case, those item has been linked as a list. And after the linking, and we can use a function to visit each of the item with this while loop, where you could see from here, we are starting from the head pointer, and then we print the current items out with those codes. And every time after the printing of the basic information, we're setting the current, that means the temp pointer to the next pointer of the current item. So in that case, we could visit the item one by one. As you have seen here from the output, after printing out the item 2, we know it's pointed to the item. After printing out the item 1, we know it's pointed to the item 2. Then after this code, the temp will be set to here. That means the item 2. Then the loop goes to here. The information about the item 2 has been printed out, and it's repeat that action by setting the temp pointer to the item 3, then item 3 has been printed out, and just go on, and now you can visit each item of that list until you reach the end. That means because the last item is item 4, where we're saying the next to none. So this is a condition to let the computer know when we should stop. So that's it.